Hey guys, I'm super excited. My PR packaging came in and I am going to unbox it with you all. So let's begin. Before I start, shout out to Be Divine Minded for sending me her beautiful packaging and her products. I just cannot wait to dive in, to expand my knowledge, and to share with others your beautiful work that you're doing to support women and self-care overall. So we're gonna go ahead and begin. So first, this is the packaging. I had opened it and I was like, you know what, let me hold it back together so everyone could see how beautiful it was and curated. And it says, thank you, your support means the world to me. Each product is handcrafted with love, healing intention, and care to nourish your body, mind, and spirit. By shopping Be Divine Minded, you are not only supporting a small business, you are also embracing the sacred practice of self-care. So that was that. Now when I open it, here we go. I was so impressed. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Herbal mocktails. This is perfect. I know a lot of people are on this like they're trying to be sober, they're not really trying to drink as much. So you might want to try a herbal mocktail. It's a beautiful alternative and it's healthy and better for your body. A win is a win. And then she was so kind. I got a lot of good surprises to give me a journal. So anyone who follows me, you see that I always drop like a Wisdom Wednesday and I always have like a journal prompt. So look how beautiful this is. And it was like in perfect timing because I just finished my last journal. So I cannot wait to fill these pages up. And it's also really helpful because in the beginning, like I saw, oh my god, there's so much things we could dive into it all day, but like for example, she has like exercises and reflection prompts. So I'm definitely gonna be updating my upcoming Wisdom Wednesdays with some of these. And if anyone has this book already, I would love to journal with you and go on this journaling journey together. So that's that. We have the journal, the herbal book, and then some beautiful samples. I got butterfly pea flowers and lemon balm. I think everyone kind of knows about lemon balm briefly. Relaxation, which is so important in this world we're always all going. And for the anxiety girlies, lemon balm, get you some lemon balm. So, oh, I'm so happy and so grateful. And we can show like all the products. This is how you PR package, baby. This is how you sell your business. I love it. I'm obsessed. So yeah, in summary, I would say for the spiritual people, individuals, for anyone who prioritizes self-care and you just want like a better, you want to be healthier, you want to treat your body with care, with love, with intention, you definitely want to check out Be Divine Minded. I'm going to drop all her information below, and also I'm going to be tagging her. You can find her on TikTok. She has a beautiful website as well, alongside Instagram at Be Divine Minded. So once again, thank you, Be Divine Minded. I am so grateful. And also, I will be dropping videos here and there of some of my beautiful herbal mocktail conjunctions that I try for myself and make. I cannot wait to get into this. I've always wanted to try like, you know, more bartending type of thing. So this is like right on my alley. I think it's perfect for a beginner like me or any beginner. So yeah, I'll be dropping some videos on some of my mocktail makings and also updated Wisdom Wednesdays using some of these new exercises and journal prompt reflections. And that is all. Once again, thank you so much at Be Divine Minded. Follow her, shop, support small businesses, and support women owned, and just support in general. Thank you. Peace and love. Have a great one, everyone. Have a great day, everybody.